don't know what happened. Hi Tinaye.
Hi, salam.
Salam, እንዴት
ናችሁ?
አለም በቪዲዮ አርጊው።
No, I can't do that. I'm working.
I thought you are not working today.
No, I work from home. I work from home. I haven't been meeting in 10 minutes.
Oh, really?
What do you mean?
You do have that.
What do you mean? Wait. What do you mean I don't work? How do you know?
No, she told me you are in another state. She's thinking, why you got attitude with me? I don't do nothing to you.
Come on. Daisy, you know we're not, I'm not another state. You know that. Why you not telling the truth?
No, we're from Arizona, right?
Oh.
But I told him you're here. That's what I told him.
Okay. Yeah, there's misunderstanding now. So, you know, at the same time, and room ውስጥ ሆነን live ገብተናል ነበር እንዴ? አልጋውሌ
ጥያቄው ምንድነው? በመጀመሪያ ደረጃ አንቺና እሷ you got beef for some reason. ፓስፖርቷ ትላንትና ነው የጠፋው
እና አንተ ጋር lost and found እንትን ኦፊስ ነው ፓስፖርት ሲጠፋብን ፖሊስ ጋር ሄደን ነው ሪፖርት የምናደርገው እኔ ጋር አይደለም ሪፖርት የሚደረገው እኔም
ሪፖርት አልተደረገም all of a sudden ትላንትና ነው ምንድነው attitude ይዘሽ የመጣሽው
attitude አይደለም I'm working
ምንድነው ያዙኝ
No, I respect you. That's why I accepted you. You know.
No, we were waiting for a long time.
No, I have over 20 requests. መጥቶልኝ አንተን ብቻ ጋር ነው የመጣሁት። እሺ እሱን respect.
ነገርሽ ነው ሂጂ ሌላ ቦታ መሄድ ትችያለሽ ከፈለግሽ።
ቲናዬ ቆይ አንዴ ዮኒ
እኔ ላይ ታካሽ
እኛ አሁን ቲናዬ ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው ፕሊዝ እሺ እሱም እየጠበቀሽ ነበር ይሄ ሁሉ ህዝብ ቁጭ ብለን እኔም እንቅልፍ ሳልተኛ ለሊቱን ዮኒም ሳይተኛ ቁጭ ብለን ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው በቃ
ምን እንደዚህ ሊያረጋግጥ
ይኸውልሽ
ዳኛው needs to calm down first. I don't I'm scared ካደረጋችኝ ይወጣልኝ. I don't have to explain my life. This is my life, my daughter and my life. I don't need to bring it to outside.
No, ልጅሽማ አንቺ መፍትሄ ስላልሰጠሻት ነው እኛ ጋር መጣች.
Oh, really? After 21 years አንተ ጋር መጣች? እሺ. What's wrong with Daisy? Daisy, you know I love you.
Listen to me please. እኔ ላውራ አንድ ጊዜ ዮኒ ቁጭ ብሎ ይኸውልሽ ዮኒ እስካሁን ድረስ እሷን ራሱ ዴዚን ራሱ በጣም እንትን ይያላት ነበር እናትሽ ማክበር አለበት ልጁም ስላንቺ he's got your back በጣም ብዙ ሲያወራልሽ ነበር እና አሁን መተሽ ፕሊዝ እንደ ሚስ አንደርስታንዲንግ ሊሆን ይችላል he's got your back አሁን እሱ የሚፈልገው እኔም የምፈልገው ሁላችንም ሰላም እንዲመጣ ነው at the end of the day you are you know እናትና ልጅ ናችሁ ስለዚህ ጀንወን የሆነ ነገር ነው ይዘን የመጣ ነው ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው እዚህ ጋር ያንቺን ጎራ ይዘው የሷን እንትን ብለው ከዘርም ጋር ያገናኙት የሚፈልጉ ብዙ ሰዎች አሉ ስለዚህ at the end of the day you guys are family let's fix this
I know
እና በጥሩ መንፈስ ነው እና ይኸውልሽ እዚህ ጋር ጥሩ ነገር ይዞ ነው የመጣው ስለዚህ you know እኛም ደግሞ ያንን ነው የምንፈልገው እሺ
no problem ግን ይሄ እኮ የኔና የሷ ፋሚሊ እሺ ነው ብዙ ነገር ቤታችንን እንፈጣው ለምን ራሻ
አክስትሽም አውርቻታለሁ የሷን አክስቷን ሳውራት ፕሊዝ የራሷን ላይፍ ዴዚ መኖር ትፈልጋለች
እና ማንንም ያዛት
አንዴ ልጨርስና መናገር ትችያለሽ አይደል ገና ከመጀመሪያ አፋፋት ላይ ምንድነው ያለችው መኖር ትፈልጋለች በራሷ ላይፍ የራሷን ህይወት መኖር ትፈልጋለች ስለዚህ አሁን አፓርትመንት ልትከራይ ስትል አንቺ ምንድነው ያረክሽው ለዛ ሴትዮ ደውለሽ ትሬት ናረክሻል ልጄን ትወስጂብኛለሽ ኪድናፕ አረክሽ ብዬ ደውዬ አሲዝሻለሁ ብለሻል አይደል
አላልኳትም I have a voicemail that's a lie because the lady herself ደውላ ዴዚን እኔ I don't sub lease ነቻለች sub lease ማድረግ አልችልም ግን ስራው ክፍት ነው voicemail አለኝ ክፍት ነው ስራውን ትስራ ስትል ከዚህ 1 hour ማን ነው እየነዳት የሚሄደው every day we're Baltimore DC ማን ነው የሚመላለሰው ለዛ አይነት ስራ ደግሞ እዚህ ቅርባችን ክሎስ አለ ብለን የተሰረዘው አሁንም ቢሆን ሌላው ያላትን እኛውን ነገኝንለት this is just a normal family issue now. What is the big deal?
Okay, the other big deal I will talk to you about. ያንቺ እህት ልትሆን ወይም አክስቷ የእሷ አክስት አንቺ በጥሩ ዴዚን እያየሻት እንዳልሆነ በጥሩ እንዳልሆነ
Oh my god. Okay, Daisy አክስት አጎት ዲፍረንሱን አታውቅም። ዜማ የምትለውን ዘመዴ ነች አክስቴ ልጅ ትላለች። ዜማን I never seen her. ዜማ ዱርዬ ስምታበላሻት ልጅ እንደሆነች ነው የማውቀው ኦንላይን። ሜላትን I don't know her. She's messed up የሚያደርጉት ግን እህቶቼ አክስቶቼ እያለች ለህዝብ ትናገራለች። That's not right.
Okay, ከማን ጋር ነው የምትኖረው?
100% my family, my sisters, brothers never talk to anyone on media. They don't go on media. They all work the government የሚሰሩት እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ጊዜ የላቸውም. I know you didn't talk. So maybe she brought somebody on the talk about እህቴ ነች አክስቴ ነች.
You saying like that's not your aunt. Daisy.
She's not.
No, Mariaman, Yoni Mariaman.
Who talked to him? Man.
Mariaman. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Tell me who talked to him. Give me the
I'm
name.
not going to tell you. No.
That's it. That's not true then. Why are you hiding?
I don't want to bring our family to the...
Oh, really? You
no.
already did. You already did, Daisy.
So, okay, let me ask
No, I
you.
mean our other family. That's
No,
right.
you already did.
አንዴ ልጠይቅሽ አንድ ነገር የእሷ የራሷን ላይፍ ለመምራት ምኑ ነው ለአንቺ የሚከብድሽ?
She's my daughter. I don't want ማንም ዝም እንትን ባለጌ እናቷን የሚሰድብ ሀገር የሚሰድብ ዘር የሚያስተምራት that's not I worked for. Daisy አገሯን ህዝቧን አክብራ እንድትኖር ራሱ ሰክሰስፉል ሆና እናቷንም እንድትጦር ህዝቡን እንድትጦር ነው አሳድጌ አድርጌ ያሳደኳት። መጥፎ ሰው በያውም እኔ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም። አንተ ራስህ አይደለህም እንዴ ልታስቀርቀው ዴዚ ቢኮዝ
Can we stop talking?
I'm a good listener. Let her talk.
But this is not about love, though. This is not about love.
No.
Daisy, let her finish. It's okay. Let her talk.
Love is the problem. Because your love is what caused all this. Daisy, please listen. It's good for
Okay,
you.
let her talk, and I got an answer. Keep talking.
See, the guy himself. You were ሽማግሌ ሆነ ስታስታርቅ እንደማያፈቅራትም እንደማልሆነ ሽምግልና ገብተህ አንተ ራስህ አንዴ ደና ተገላገልን ከሱ ስንል መልስ አስገናኝ አስታርቀሃቸዋል። ልጁ እንደማያፈቅራት እንደ ዱርዬ እንደሆነ ያወቅ አስታረካቸው። That's not right. I didn't accept. I mean appreciate that time በጣም አዝኜብህ ነበር። ግን it's okay. አንተ just media life ነው maybe temporary ነው ብለህ ይሆናል። ግን ልጁ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም ላፈቅራትም አልችልም በህይወቴ ብሎ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ሰቅሎታል። እኔ ፈልጌ እንት ላይ ፖስት አድርገዋለሁ ዛሬ ህዝብ እንዲሰማው። ማንኛው እናት ነው ያም ሲንግል ማም ሆኖ ያሳደጋት ልጅ ለእንደዚህ አይነት ሰው ሂጂ ጉርላክ ብሎ የሚሄደው እንዴ? እኔን እኮ ትላንት ወጥቶ ለ21 ዓመት ያበላሻትን ትክሳስሽ ነው ምናምን ነገር አለ። የት እሱ 5 months ago ኦንላይን ስክሪን ለብሶ ገብቶ መልኩን አሳምሮ አላናገራት ሴት 1 ዓመት ሆነሽ ላደረገችና ዳይፐር ስላደረገች ነው ከሳሻት የሚለው? እንደዚህ አይነት ደደብ ጭንቅላት የሌለው ሰው እንዴት ብለ ነው ልጅን ውሰድ የምትለው? ያም ሌላ ሀገር ወስዶ ማትመለስበት ደረጃ ልትሆን የምትችልበት ጥገኛ የሚኖር አዳፕት ሆኖ የሚኖር ልጅ he never
You don't have to bring up his personal life.
የሰባተኛ ክፍል ተማሪ አንድ ነገር there's no one thing good thing እኔ እንደሱ ብዬ አክሴፕት አላደርግም። ልጅ ከፈቀደች ግን ካፈቀረችው that's good. I will support her still. ሚስቴክም ቢሆን ሰርታ ቀበላታለሁ። አሁንም ቢሆን እኮ ኔክስት ላይፏ ስትሄድም እኔ ባካፋላል ሁሉም ነገ ይዘ ኔክስት ይር ስትረሳ እሷ ብቻውን ስታለቅስ እኔ ነኝ መቀበላት። እኔ ነኝ for the rest of her life. እኔ ከማንኛውንም ሰው አፍቅራ ብትመጣ ደስታው ነው ደስታዬ ነው። ጊዜዋ ነው። አሁን ደግሞ ይዛቸዋት አትበል። ከ18 ሆና መውጣት ትችል ነበር። She knows what's good for her. She knows what's the best for her. She stayed. Daisy drives brand new 24 brand new car እየነዳች ነው። ላስት ይር ኢትዮጵያ ሄድ ነው ጋራጅ አቁመ ነው። ምንም የጎደለባት ነገር የለም። ልጅቷ ሃፒ ነች። አንዳንዴ ጨውባታለሁ። that's just ጥሩ ልጅ ለማሳደግ ዝም ብለህ አይደለም። it takes a lot of work. ገርፈህም ቆንጥጠህም ስንት ነገር ነው አዲስ አበባ የምናድገው። ተደብድበን ተገርፈን ምን ብለን ነው ትምህርት ቤት ጨርሰን የምንወጣው የምንማረው? ፋሚሊ እሱንም ቢሆን ተመስገን ብለን እንደገና መጦር እንጀምራለን። እሷ ገና የጮኩባትን የዛሬ 6 ዓመት 4 ዓመት እያመጣች እሱ ደግሞ አሁን በቅርብ ሲያነጋግራት wrong thing ያደር ምለ ብዙ ነገር ማውራት አልፈልግም ነገሩ that moment እሱ እየቀረጸ ነበር ድምጼን እሱ የሚወዳት ከሆነ እንደዛ አይነት ነገር ለምን ይሰጣት ኤክስፖዝ ያደርጋታል ሚዲያ ላይ ለምንስ እኔን ቴክስት እያደረገ ቮይስ እየላከ አንቺ ባለጌ አንቺ አሮጊት ልጅሽ ነው ስጄ እንዳርጌ ለማራ ወረውራታለሁ ኦሮሞን ገና እንደፋለን ምናምን እንደዛ አይነት ሰው እንዴት ነው ልጅን ጎፎርት ምላት እንዴት ምንካ I just want the best for my daughter that's it አሁንም ቢሆን ነገም አለቅም I'm gonna go look after her እስከመሞት ድረስ I'll take care of you Daisy until I die you know I love you I know you're in love and you know I understand you're in the age where we've been through that but I don't want you to make a mistake in the worst place because you may never survive sometimes
no
Daisy
no if you don't want to be completely honest with people I don't think you should talk I mean if you don't want to say what you did as well then you know like I
have the right to do anything I want
okay that's good that's fine
Daisy it's okay take your time if you love him it's your choice I will support you but do it the right way not like you just saw him 5 months on the screen TikTok you don't risk your entire life to go see him
okay again mom listen this is not about Jinjana or Fikr I want freedom that's all I'm saying like this is this we should stop making this about relationship okay. It's not
Daisy you know I work even last year let's forget about everything last year when you were 1 year we were in Ethiopia but the year before that you were 19 I was working 2 jobs you're open 24 hours you have a car you have the entire home you could have done anything why wouldn't you run away then if nothing is good for you
what do you mean I was
it's not like
she was saying that she was working 2 jobs you were at home by yourself
I was doing social media
she said if you want to run away why don't you do it at the time
I did not run away I mean the thing is yes I ran away but that's my decision again it's okay. My decision
she has no reason okay so what I was saying
አንዴ ቲና ተረድቼሻለሁ ሀት ሆነሽ የመጣሽበት ነገር ብዙ ሰዎች አማክረውሽ ሊሆን ይችላሉ እኔ ግን አንቺን ስከላከል ነበር መንገርሽ
I haven't talked to I have so many requests
ገባኝ እኔ ይኸውልሽ እኔ አንቺን እዚሁ ሆኜ ስከላከል ነበር እናቷን ዲስፔክት እያደረገ ልጇን ማፍቀር አይችልም እያልኩ ስከራከርልሽ ነበር አትሰሚኝ የመጣሽው ገባሽ ሀት ሆነሽ የመጣሽው ሌላ ነገር ብለው ነው አሁን ልክ ነሽ አሁን እንደማለት አንዴ አዳመጥኩሽ አይደል እንዴ አዳምጪኛ the entire times አዳምጥሽ ነበር እንደ እናት ያሰብሽው አሁን የምትይው ነገር ስተት የለው ስተት አላየውበትም አሁን የምትይው ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምትመኝላት ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምታረግላት yes ይሄን እስማማል 2024 do you have a car 2024
of course
ቆይ ዴዚ ነው የምጠይቃት አንዴ ቲና do you have a car 2024 brand new
2024 car? Yes I did yeah I did oh yeah
okay you do have that so one thing I don't understand some of the other people saying that she makes you starve to death that's what they were saying
listen this is people like
she didn't say Daisy didn't say that but the other people were saying that Daisy was starving to death but you drive in 2024 brand new car
and let me add something for you Daisy you know this is the honest in God's name you know you have a cross on your neck and there is a reason for that you don't lie Daisy she eats like even very best diet like the fridge is full of organic food the drink everything selective I work very little job but it takes like almost 24 hours overnight and then I come back 1 hour and I get ready I go back another 10 hours 11 that's how I lived for almost So
okay, did I deny that?
No.
I'm sorry.
Did I deny that? That's what I'm saying. What does this have to like?
No. Let me ask you, Daisy. Is your mom a hard worker?
Yes, she is. Yeah.
Okay. If she's a hard worker, what she does that for? For you and her, right?
Well, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Of course.
Okay. That's the case. the reason you guys are here because of this man, right?
No, it's not. It's not just about him. This isn't just about like love. Like, it's not.
Because there was no problem before that, though.
I had no freedom.
Freedom?
What's freedom?
Mom, I had no freedom.
Okay, I think okay. One thing.
No freedom. Explain freedom to me. Explain freedom.
I mean, Mom, I respect you, but you have to understand you are forcing me to do social media.
Let her talk. Tina, please let her talk.
Yes.
Let baby talk, okay? Just listen to her for a minute. I'm going to mute you for a second, okay? Let her talk.
Let me just say, I'm the one, I'll say I'm the one, yeah, I started getting known on TikTok, like, you know, the side Ayajibo, like, I started getting known on TikTok, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, I asked my mom, yeah, let's go to Ethiopia, maybe I could do business, you know, things like that. We stayed there 7 months. After 7 months, I was depressed. I was not okay. I didn't want to do social media anymore. Like, I was physically tired of it, and I was begging my mom. I said, can we go back? Can I go back to school? Can I do this? She said, and Mom, you know I respect you, but you told me I need to be rich and famous, have money for college, like, you know, I need that things, and then I go back to school. So as a 20-year-old, yeah, I came back by myself. And I have the right to.
But the first thing is what I'm going to ask you. You ask your mom to go to Ethiopia with her. You want to do YouTube. You want to be famous, right? You are the one.
Like, no, because we go as vacation sometimes. Like, we went 2023. We went 20, like, we...
Yeah, I understand. But as you say now, from what you said, you told us, you want to go to Ethiopia. You want to do YouTube. You want to do social media. You want to be famous. And your mom supports you with that. She went with you.
Yeah.
You become famous. Now you get bored. You change your mind.
Well, yeah, right? Because I wanted to focus on school. That's why.
I understand, but the first thing she was saying that before you got famous, she wanted that for you, right?